Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1967 Chevy Custom C10. As you can see, this is by Hot Wheels Premium and it's from Fast and Furious movies. And I think this is a really nice looking car stick. Even for premium, it looks really good. And always on, when I saw the pictures, I wanted to find this one, and I finally did. The set also contains these other vehicles. We can see Mazda RX-7, Aventador, Chevrolet SS, and Honda Del Sol. I think the other one which I really want is the Del Sol. Haven't found it yet though. This one looks good, so let's open it up and see what does it offer. So I don't know how many Fast and Furious movies you might have seen, but this was featured in one of those where, can't remember the name of the guys, they used it. The two friends. So yeah, it was a custom seat, obviously. It's not like your usual flat bed or one with the bed. Now, I'm gonna start with the front. So in the front, you've got some nice details, as you can see. Painted headlamp, painted grille, Chevy badge. Those look like fog lamps, chrome bumper. And you expect that from Hot Wheels Premium anyways. Nice orange paint, obviously it's trying to show the same color as the movie. Got windshield wipers. I don't know why they missed on mirrors. It would have looked good. Now let's move to the driver's side. On the driver's side, you can see it's like a dually, so rear wheels are double and single in the front, so they're different like you normally have in trucks. Again, rubber tires with detailed wheels. Same goes for back, but they're different. You can see them here on the side. Some other details: painted door handle, interior finished in black. You've got the exhaust stalks coming on the side like you see on bigger trucks. So it's obviously lowered a bit and custom made. So this might be air tank, the chrome one that looks like it. In the rear you can again see a wheel flare. No, it's not a flare, it's actually a fender, rear fender. I can't find the exact term, but yeah, you've got this chrome one here. Rear wheel again looks nice, chrome wheel, rubber tire, and you can see they've tried to show it as a wider tire. Some good details here at the bottom. Now coming to the back, again you've got nice details. You've got painted tail lamp, a number plate that says Han. Again, the chrome feature here. I would say just a feature. Bed, which is obviously had this diamond finish into it, making it look like a actual metal bed, which you see normally on the trucks. They have this diamond finish. This looks like a something you will use to tow, or something you'll use to tow, so you can just flip it and tow vehicles from this one, I guess. Good details for the windows too. Rear window, you can see the black trim around it, which looks good. Same exhaust stock on the other side. Moving to the passenger side, looks almost identical. Don't see any major differences. And this is how it looks from the top. I do like the detail on the windshield wiper. Missed that. This is how it looks from the bottom. Obviously a metal base, a metal body. Bed on the other hand seems to be made of plastic, this flatbed. So overall, well, even if you haven't seen the Fast and Furious movies, this casting is still a really nice looking casting. Definitely looks good with the execution, with the paint, and I don't think you will be disappointed with this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.